Folks, if you were paying attention to news overseas yesterday, you would have heard about the bizarre lightning show happening in Vegas in the wee hours of the morning. Well, guess what? It happened here in Jamaica too. Did not see it. Did you see it? Okay. Well, our crazy friends from Buttered Toast Visuals spent 3 hours, don't sleep. Anyway, capturing it and editing it to match to the beat of music. A warning for those with epilepsy. This video contains a lot of flashing lights, so maybe it's best to not have a look at this. But if you don't, and you can, please watch.
I remember going to San Diego, and there was this, what do they call it, an electrical storm, and we just couldn't move. So the plane, when the plane finally took off and the lightning hit, I was so scared.
It's beautiful, but it's very dangerous.
It was scary. That was shot in the flats of Havendale, by the way, facing the top of Red Hill. So from bizarre lightning sessions to some not so bizarre facts. So first up, you know the saying that lightning can't strike the same place twice? Well, wrong. Lightning can indeed strike in the same place twice, given enough time. Didn't know that?
No. Wow, that's so pretty. I guess that's come to be, bless you, Obs, more of us a saying than a actual
reality.
Fact. I don't know, but then it would have had to have come from somewhere. So, all right, the Empire State Building in New York certainly knows how to take a hit. Or rather, 23. The 102-story skyscraper gets struck by lightning an average of 23 times per year.
You ever been there?
I'm not interested.
No, but
when I was a
been
kid,
there?
when I was much younger.
Never been there.
No, I would not consciously go up there.
Never been there.
Too scared of heights.
And in case you ever wondered if the sun is the hottest object, nope, lightning trumps the sun 5 times over. The sun is at best 10,340 degrees Fahrenheit, while lightning is 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow.
I guess that's why when you
this photo was taken from the police dashboard camera. Wow, look at that. Look at that picture.
Incredible. Perfect shot at the right time. Now get this, guys. A British soldier, Major Walter Summerford, was struck by lightning 3 separate times. Why? Now we won't get into the details of what happened each time, but here's what's wacky. 4 years after his death, his grave was struck by lightning as well. Sir? He's a what now? A conductor?
Well, I don't know.
Peace and crap.
His autobiography, by the way, is called Faster Than Lightning.
3 times while you're living, and then 1 time when you are... Wow. My word. Did lightning kill him, by the way?
I don't know. I just said his autobiography is called Faster Than Lightning.
Yeah, but was he struck by one of the lightning? Was he killed by one of the lightning strikes, or did he live past all 3 and then die of something else?
Oh, so the next one is something totally separate I'm talking about. So it's not the same person.
Okay. Lightning bolt.
All right. Yeah, his autobiography is called Faster Than Lightning, but it's the world's best Usain Bolt.
Which that shot is just iconic. Him and the lightning same time.
Sorry to disappoint you folks. World best Usain Bolt can't beat 186,291 miles per second. when Usain first came on the track scene, a lot of people abroad thought his name was a pseudonym, meaning they thought he made it up to match his profession. But,
The Bolt.
yeah.
Not so. Man was born to do what he's doing. So, okay, no one wants to be struck by lightning, but there are some people who are stricken to the core by the idea. The fear of lightning is called Astraphobia. Astraphobia.
Yeah.
I have it.
I don't know if I have a fear of lightning, but as a football coach, I will stay in the rain, I will stay in anything, but if the lightning comes, I take the kids off.
As you should,
off
as
the
with
field.
swimmers as well.
And I actually saw a fast bowler from Trinidad and Tobago hit by lightning at Kensington Oval. Merv Dillon was bowling and then came up and lightning hit him and went, I mean, he didn't die, but hit him over. All
He's
right.
lucky. When we hear stories of people getting hit by lightning in Jamaica, usually they don't live.
Yep. Yep.
So
It's scary. And then it says it hits the tallest person out there. So there come the thousand cents. So that's it for our enlightening facts this morning. I'm sure you learned something new. We've got lots more ahead. But first news in 5. Jody, lightning now look, Jody, she's too short.
Mother Nature is incredible. She's beautiful, but don't play with her.
Yep.
Don't play with her.
So come.
All right.